The world of graphics cards has been in a constant state of evolution for decades, but every once in a while, a product arrives that doesn't just push the boundaries, it shatters them entirely. AMD's RX 9070 XT is that kind of product. Built upon the revolutionary RDNA 4 architecture, this graphics card represents not just an incremental improvement over its predecessor, but a leap forward that redefines what gamers, creators, and AI developers can expect from a GPU in 2025. AMD has been fighting an uphill battle against NVIDIA for years, often offering competitive performance at lower prices but struggling to gain the same level of mindshare. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. With the RX 9070 XT, AMD isn't just playing catch-up, it's aiming to take the lead, and it's doing so with an aggressive mix of performance, efficiency, features, and price positioning. Right from the moment you see the RX 9070 XT, it's clear that AMD designed it with both enthusiasts and practical buyers in mind. The triple-fan cooling solution is both functional and aesthetically pleasing, with an industrial design that feels premium without unnecessary gimmicks. The card's build quality is solid, and the reinforced backplate not only adds rigidity but also aids in thermal dissipation. Under the hood, things get even more interesting. We're talking about 64 compute units, 4096 stream processors, 64 dedicated ray tracing units, and 128 AI accelerators. These AI accelerators are a major talking point because AMD has optimized them to handle machine learning workloads and real-time AI-assisted graphics rendering far more efficiently than previous generations. This ties directly into AMD's latest FSR4 technology, which uses advanced temporal upscaling and AI-enhanced reconstruction to deliver sharper visuals at higher frame rates without the typical blur or ghosting seen in earlier versions. The RX 9070 XT also features 16 GB of GDDR6 memory running over a 256-bit bus, paired with a generous 64 MB of Infinity Cache. This combination gives the card a huge bandwidth advantage in real-world gaming scenarios, reducing latency and improving minimum frame rates, something competitive gamers will appreciate. In synthetic benchmarks, the RX 9070 XT shows massive gains over the RX 7900 GRE and even beats the RTX 5070 Ti in rasterization performance by about 15 to 20%. In 1440p gaming, it consistently delivers frame rates well above 120 FPS in modern AAA titles with maxed out settings, and in 4K, it hits the sweet spot of 60 to 90 FPS in most games without the need for aggressive upscaling. When you do enable FSR4, however, you're looking at up to 3.4x performance boosts in compatible titles, making native 4K 60+ achievable in even the most demanding games like Cyberpunk 2077 and Alan Wake 2. Content creators aren't left out either. The RX 9070 XT's compute capabilities make it a strong choice for video editing, 3D rendering, and streaming. Hardware-accelerated AV1 encoding is here, which drastically improves streaming quality at lower bit rates, a major win for Twitch and YouTube live streamers. The AI cores also accelerate background noise removal, real-time scene changes, and smart reframing features in editing software. Power consumption is rated at around 300 W, which means you'll want a quality PSU in the 750-850 W range to give it breathing room, especially for overclocking. Thermal performance is surprisingly